Sometimes, after extracting an article, you may want to make a few changes before sending it to your Kindle. With Send Web to Kindle, you can easily edit and format your article directly in the editor. Simply select the text you want to edit, then use the editing toolbar to make changes. You can change the selected text from a regular paragraph to a heading, or change the heading level. Your headings will also be automatically reflected in the table of contents, making your article easier to navigate on your Kindle. You can also format your text just like in a standard text editor. Make text bold, italic, underlined, or add a strike-through effect. For different types of content, you can use block quote and code block. You can also create numbered lists or bulleted lists to organize your information and make the article easier to read. Need to remove unwanted content? Simply select the text and delete it. If you want to remove the formatting while keeping the text, use Clear Formatting. You can also remove hyperlinks without deleting the text itself. Just select the linked text and choose Remove Link. Made a mistake? No problem. Use Undo to reverse your latest changes, or Redo to bring them back. Once you're done editing, take a quick look through your article and check the table of contents. Make sure your headings and formatting look the way you want. And that's it! With Send Web to Kindle, you can clean up and format your extracted article exactly the way you want before sending it to your Kindle. Edit, format, send to Kindle.